Hello all, welcome to ML Beginner Lab. In the previous video, we have discussed what lists are. But in real machine learning project, just storing data is not enough. We need to modify, clean and manage the data. And for that, Python gives us something called list methods. What are list methods? List methods are built-in functions that helps us perform operations on lists like adding, removing or sorting data. Now let's learn some important methods one by one. Append, insert, remove, pop, sort. Not only these, we have some more list methods we will discuss one by one. Let's start with append method. Append adds a new value at the end of the list. For example, if we take marks list and if we want to add a value 80, we can use append method. Marks dot append, and if we try to print marks after appending the I didn't pass the value 80. So 80 will be added to the list marks. See here, 80 is added. Append adds a new value 80 at the end of the list. Insert. Insert adds a value at a specific index position. For example, now we are displaying the marks first. This is our marks. So now we are inserting 60 value at index position. So to at second position we want to insert 60 value. Marks dot insert index position 2 and the value 60. And now we are printing the marks after inserting the value 60 at the position 2. So the value 60 is added at the position 2. When new data comes into dataset, we will use append and insert for adding the data. Now let's discuss about one more list method, remove. Remove deletes a specific value from the list. For example, take marks 20, 30, 80, 90. And if we want to remove the value 80, then we can use remove method. Marks dot remove. The value which we want to delete is 80, so we are passing the value 80 and we are trying to print the list marks after deleting 80 value. See here 80 is deleted, only 20, 30, 90 are displayed. And one more thing, the list will allow duplicate values. For example, take one more example as data 20, 30, 40, and again 30, 20, 10. Here 20 is repeated two times and 30 is repeated two times. It means duplicate values are present. If we try to apply a remove method on data list, the duplicate values are 20, 30. So I'm trying to delete 30 value. So what will happen? It deletes the first occurrence of 30 value and keeps the remaining. So if we try to print the data list after removing 30, see here the first occurrence of 30 deleted and remaining as it is. And we will discuss one more method, pop. Pop removes the last element by default. For example, first we will print the data. This is our data. If we apply pop method, it will delete the print pop. Okay. I need to apply the list on data.pop. Then I need to print data after popping. Pop means deleting only. It will delete the last element by default. It means 10 should be deleted. See here, the last element is deleted. If we pass the index to the pop, then it will delete the value which is at the particular index. For example, let's take our marks list. Oh, it is 20, 30, 90. Okay. If we are passing marks dot pop the index value 1, it means 30 should be deleted. If we try to print marks, see here the value 30 is deleted and remaining 20 here displayed. Both pop and remove delete elements from a list, but they work in very different ways. Remove method by value. Pop method removes by index. Remove returns none. It simply removes the value. And pop removes the value by index and returns the removed value. If you know the value which we need to remove, then we can use remove method. If you know the index where we need to remove, then we can use pop method. 20, 45, 65, 80, 95. If we apply pop method and passing the index 2, it means it will remove the element which is present at index position 2, 0, 1, 2. So it will remove 65 and it returns the removed value. For example, if we store the value in removed item in a variable, If we try to print removed item, it will display 65. Why? Because the pop method returns the value which removed by pop method, that is 65. And if we print the list marks after deleting 65, the remaining list. Now let's discuss about one more list method, sort. Sort arranges the data in ascending order. For example, if we take marks list 20, 45, 18, 98, 34, and if we apply sort method on list marks, what will happen? Arranging in ascending order means from small value to larger value. The smaller value is 18, so start from 18, 20, 34, 45, 98 will display. Print marks. See the output is ascending order. Sorting helps in data analysis and pre-processing. In the next video, we will discuss about some more list methods. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.